Hi everyone. So we are going to go over how to clone. Okay, now one of the things I do want to show is you can select items and bulk copy. Okay, and that's going to be from client to client or client to room. Okay, that is a little different than cloning because it kind of copies over in one swift move. Now, when we're talking about things like this, and I'm just going to open this one so we can copy it. Okay, so I've opened it up and I'm going to hit clone. When I hit clone, okay, you can see here that this is the item that was cloned. So what I usually always do is I will save and close and try to pull it up again because you'll now see that there are two. Let's just let's do tables. Okay, so this was the one that oops, yeah, this was the one that I cloned right now. Okay, it's super simple, but I have seen where people don't see that it clones and then they keep doing it. Okay, and you will have as many of those as you see fit. Okay, so watch for that. Just make sure that you don't mindlessly try to clone because it does change things. Okay, so that is how to clone. There's also how to bulk copy, but that's on another video. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments or email us at info@mareevuitton.com. Thank you.